The FSKKR Capital Corporation stock holds an C14 at 82 and is currently being overbought on RSI. This does not have to be a sell signal, as many stocks may go both long and hard while being overbought on the RSI. It is therefore important to evaluate the history of the share, as it may tell you something about the RSI sensitiveness. A trader's view: gold crude 07th of December 2020. FSKKR Capital Corporation stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Friday trading session. Updated on December 04th 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 11th of November 2020 gained 14.14% PDF. The FSKKR Capital Corporation stock price gained 1.92% on the last trading day, Friday, 4th of December 2020, rising from $18.77 to $19.13, and has now gained 5 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 2.93% from a day low at $18.80 to a day high of $19.35. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 11.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 259,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 814,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $15.57 million. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 10.4% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $16.84 and $21.12 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast: mostly positive signals in the chart today. The FSKKR Capital Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $18.43 and $16.36. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, October 28, 2020, and so far it has risen 31.93%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. By special signal notification Golden Star: the stock had a Golden Star signal on Thursday, September 10, 2020 in the short-term chart. Golden Star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Support, risk and stop loss: on the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $16.76 and $15.91. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, FSKKR Capital Corporation finds support just below today's level at $16.76. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $15.91 and $15.79. $16.76, $19.13. This stock has average movements during a day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 55 cents between high and low, or 2.93%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.32%. The FSKKR Capital Corporation stock is overbought on C14 and lies in the upper part of the trend. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity for the short-term trader, but some stocks may go long and hard while being overbought. Regardless, the high RSI together with the trend position increases the risk, and higher daily movements, volatility, should be expected. A correction down in the nearby future seems very likely, and it is of great importance that the stock manages to break the trend before that occurs. Our recommended stop loss, $18.49, minus 3.36%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The C14 is 82, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 26 days ago. Is FSKKR Capital Corporation stock a buy? FSKKR Capital Corporation holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate. Current score, 5.856. Predicted opening price for FSKKR Capital Corporation of Monday, December 7, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. The last rating was given by Wells Fargo & Company on November 12, 2020. The price target was set to $15.50. Over the last 30 days, this security got 0 buy, 1 sell and 0 hold ratings. FSKKR Capital Corporation is an externally managed, non-diversified, closed-end management investment and finance company that invests primarily in the debt securities of private middle-market U.S. companies. Its objectives are to generate current income and, to a lesser extent, long-term capital appreciation. The company was founded by Michael Craig Foreman on December 21, 2007 and is headquartered in Philadelphia, PA. The listed name for FSK is FSKKR Capital Corporation Common Stock. Summary: FSKKR Capital Corp., formerly FS Investment Corporation, is an externally managed, non-diversified, closed-end management investment company. The company's investment objectives are to generate current income and long-term capital appreciation. Its portfolio consists primarily of investments in senior secured loans and second lien secured loans of the private United States middle market companies and subordinated loans of the private United States companies. It may purchase interests in loans or make other debt investments, including investments in senior secured bonds, through secondary market transactions in the over-the-counter market or directly from target companies as primary market or directly originated investments. It invests in a range of industries, including capital goods, consumer services, consumer durables and apparel, materials, commercial and professional services, and diversified financials. Its investment advisor is FB Income Advisor, LLC.